Alright, in this equation we have lots of fractions. So again, as I showed you before, to use the calculator, you want to write it in standard form. So on one of the other problems, if you were missing an x, you would just put a 0 here if the equation did not have an x in it. Okay, if I write it as a matrix, I write all my fractions, all my coefficients, and then on the calculator, I go to apps, and then I go all the way down until I see polysymot, hit enter, enter, go to number 2, 3 equations, 3 unknowns, and then to get the fraction in, we just do 5 divided by 6, and I'll put the 5, 6 here. When you hit enter, it does change it into a decimal up here, but you don't have to worry about that because you're just going to type in 1 divided by 2, enter, and we're going to enter all of our fractions. Then we hit solve, and we have x equals 4, y equals 12, and z equals 16. So our solution is 4, 12, 16. Now another way we can do this on the calculator is we can actually put this in a matrix. If you don't have that polysymot button, do you see the matrix key right here? Because it's in yellow, you do second matrix. So you have to go over, you do have to go over to edit to input a matrix, and then choose enter. And because this is the number of rows by the number of columns, so we have to say we have 3 rows by 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So we need to type in 3 here, hit enter, and then 4, enter. Now to type in our fractions here, again we just do 5 divided by 6, enter, 1 divided by 2, enter, 3 divided by 4, enter, and 64 divided by 3, enter, 3 divided by 4, enter, 1 divided by 2, enter, 1 divided by 4, enter, 13, enter, 1 divided by 2, enter, 1 divided by 4, enter, 1 divided by 4, enter, and 9. Now, to actually do the calculation here, we go to back into matrix, over to math. This time, we go all the way down to it's called row reduced echelon form, or RREF. We have to tell it we had it in matrix A, so we do second matrix and we choose A, hit enter, and then it's going to, this is called row reduced echelon form, but this just means your x equals 4, your y is your, in that B format, equals 12, and your C equals 16. So